Alrighty. I know you've been dying to get the answers. I know you've been dying to get the truth, and you've come to the right place. You've come to Lenny Reed's YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my favorite meal that I've used for forever to put on size, to put on strength, and to overall just get big. But first, we have to head to Walmart to acquire these items, so I'll be back so we can whip up in the kitchen. Alrighty, so we are back from Walmart. I have 0.7 pounds worth of New York strip, and I have 240 grams worth of jasmine rice, totaling around 1,300 to 1,400 calories. And now that I've shown you the items that we got from Walmart, let's get to the kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to be like a shittier Gordon Ramsay or whatever. Let's go. Alright, for this portion of the video I decided to do a voiceover just because there was a ton of background noise when I was cooking, and I didn't want to leave you guys with some crappy audio. But getting started off, we are going to be seasoning my steak with garlic powder and some sea salt. I think this is a perfect combination for a great tasting steak, and really a great combination for any sort of raw beef or cooked beef is just garlic powder and sea salt. You can't go wrong with that. And I did forget to mention, but I used a 0-calorie cooking spray in this video, but if you're looking for a few extra calories for this meal, either use an olive oil or butter. It'll make your life a whole lot easier if you're trying to bulk and put on weight. Also, when cooking a New York strip, make sure you have your heat on about medium. I don't like to go any higher than that just because it'll allow it to burn. I like to get the nice brown sear marks that you're about to see in this upcoming clip. I mean, when you just look at this, it's just the absolute definition of a perfect steak. I mean, just look at that. I'm just getting my final flips in, searing all the sides of the steak, making sure that it's thoroughly cooked all the way through. You don't want to have the steak coming off the burner, and next thing you know, you slice it open and the thing's still beating red, and it's almost practically mooing. I mean, I like, rare steaks, but we don't need the thing mooing. Here you look at the final presentation of the steak. I would say I did pretty damn well. I'm pretty sure the next chick I meet, I could convince her that I'm in culinary school and applying for my master's in cooking. I mean, look at me. Even putting in the 90-second microwavable rice. I mean, what can't I freaking do? The one thing that I will say about this meal, though, is it is not as cost-friendly as other options like ground beef. Comparatively, a New York strip is around 14 to 15 bucks a pound compared to, $6, even $5, $7 for a pound of ground beef. So you have to weigh the options out. Since we have reached the end of the video, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in, and I hope you have a blessed day/night.